So we made these chicken thighs. It's one of the cheapest meats that you can get in your grocery store, and these turn out absolutely fabulous. We did these on an offset cooker, but you could do them on charcoal, you could do them on your gas grill. We did them low and slow for a little while, finished them up a little bit higher temp to get some crispy skin. Watch just how we did it. Hey, it's Jeff with BBQ Plus, and if you want something that is super easy to make, tastes absolutely fabulous, and really doesn't cost very much, I would recommend some chicken thighs. So these are bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs from the local grocery store. They are really inexpensive, and since these have a lot of the dark meat, they are really flavorful too. So we're going to throw some of these on the offset smoker right over here, the Oklahoma Joe offset. We've got some charcoal in there and some wood, so we're just going to get started. I usually buy these in the big value pack and then repackage them and put them in the freezer, so that way I've got manageable amounts, 4, 6, 8, whatever the case is. We've got 4 of them right here. The only thing I'm going to do to kind of trim these up and clean them up, take some of this big gangly chunk off here. Everything looks good on this one. That one. We'll cut this off because that might just burn up anyway. See what we got over here? Yeah, this will stretch around, so that'll be good. Yeah, I think we're ready to go. So again, super easy for the prep. All we're gonna do is put a little bit of salt and pepper on here. And this is just standard old ground pepper. Gonna hit them pretty heavy. Turn them over and get the backside. Hey, that's it for the pepper. This is a little bit of kosher salt. What I'm liking these days is this Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. This is really, really good, especially on chicken. So we're gonna hit it with that also. Get it on both sides. Now what we have to do, just throw them on the offset. I'm going to put these skin side up for now. So that's all there is to it. We're just going to give them a little bit of time. This is going to be set low for about 225. Then we're going to kick it up with a little bit more wood to be able to get it up to a higher temperature. So that'll crisp up the skin at the end. So we've been running this fairly slow, and it's turning out pretty good. I'm going to check the temperature right now. We're seeing temps about 157, pretty consistently about 156, 157 degrees. So things are coming along really good. A few more minutes up at that higher temperature. So to finish these off, I opened it up so I've got maximum airflow through there. And I moved each one of those chicken thighs right up next to where the firebox feeds right into the cook chamber. So that's going to be the hottest part. Temperature is going to come up All that heat's going to come up. I can hear it sizzling. This is going to turn out great. And where it comes in from the firebox into the cook chamber is the hottest area. So I moved those chicken thighs right there. We can hear them sizzling as they're finishing off at a high heat to crisp up that skin. I did use a water pan in this cook, and that was put right in the entrance to the cook chamber from that firebox. And that really is just going to help us maintain moisture inside of that cook chamber also. Didn't want to dry everything out, wanted to make sure that we had everything nice and juicy. All right, I think it's time to get those off of there, and we will give them a try, see what they taste like. Internal temps on these are about 175, so we're going to cut into them, but we're going to give them a little bit of time to cool here. Oh, not sure if you can hear that, but that is a nice crispy chicken skin. Okay, these are looking good. We're gonna jump in here and give a little taste test. That is nothing short of just fabulous. Wow, that skin on there, just a little bit crispy. That is wonderful. That buttery steakhouse seasoning from Kinder's, that is wonderful too. Well, you can't miss with these. It's inexpensive, it's easy to cook, it's really tasty. If you're not cooking up some chicken thighs, you're missing out. Give these a try. Hey, if you like what we're cooking up here, hit that like, hit the subscribe, share it with a friend. So maybe chicken thighs is what you're going to cook this weekend, or I don't know, explore through my over 120 other recipes and figure out what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. And from BBQ Plus, thanks for watching.